Hi everybody, I'm Zach Gutterman and welcome to DO180, Introduction to Containers, Kubernetes, and Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform. In this course, I'm going to be introducing you to containers and we'll be demonstrating how to containerize applications, and then using OpenShift Container Platform, we'll be orchestrating all of our containers, and we can even break up applications into multi-tier applications. We can break them into several containers that are all orchestrated and working together. And by the end of this course, you should have a great foundation to kicking off a career using OpenShift Container Platform. This course is designed for anyone who's interested in learning a little bit more about containers and how they can help your organization increase their output. So if you're a system administrator, or if you're a developer, or if you just want to learn a little bit more about containers, this course is a great starting point. OpenShift Container Platform is an extremely exciting new technology from Red Hat, and I'm really excited to be teaching it to you, and I hope you're excited to learn it. So let's get started.